Thank you for being a member of the North Carolina Museum of Art. This video will walk you through the steps to add your digital membership card to your iPhone or Android device. For iPhone users, please follow the directions in the email that contains your digital membership card information. For Android users, please download the Wallet Passes from the Google Play App Store. Once the app is installed, you may download the card using the following steps. Scroll down in the email until you see the Download Membership Card button. Click on this button and then click on the Add to Wallet button, and then click on the Add in the upper right-hand corner. The card has now been added to your wallet and you can close the browser window. Go to your wallet and you'll see your membership card in the list of contents. If you click on the card, you'll see the names of the members included on the membership, as well as the expiration date and the membership level. At the bottom, there will be a barcode with your membership number, which can be scanned for exhibition entry at the NCMA. For more information about your membership, click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Here you will see the basic information about the benefits associated with your membership. Android users should navigate to the reverse side of the card by clicking the lowercase I icon on the bottom right-hand corner. If you have any questions about your membership, please call us at 919-664-6754 or email us at membership@ncartmuseum.org.